Hi everyone, it's Janine here, and in today's video we are going to be learning how to add and subtract fractions using the butterfly method. So let's go ahead and take a look at addition first. So in this example here we have 2/3 plus 4/5, and so the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to multiply across. So let's go ahead and start out by multiplying the terms on this diagonal here. So we have 2 times 5, which is equal to 10. And then next let's go ahead and multiply the terms on this diagonal here. So we have 3 times 4, which is equal to 12. And the next thing that we are going to do is multiply our denominators. So we have 3 times 5, which is equal to 15. And the last thing that we need to do is add our top numbers. So we have 10 plus 12, which is equal to 22. So here we have 22 over 15. And now let's go ahead and take a look at subtraction. So here we have 4/5 minus 1/4, and so as our first step, what we're going to do is multiply across. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have 4 times 4, which is equal to 16. And then on this diagonal here, we have 5 times 1, which is equal to 5. And then as our next step, we are going to multiply our denominators. So here we have 5 times 4, which is equal to 20. And in our last step, what we're going to do is we are going to subtract our top numbers. So here we have a 16 minus 5. So 16 minus 5 is equal to 11. So we have 11 over 20. And so that is how you add and subtract fractions using the butterfly method. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.